Hi guys, in this episode, I will try to reply on some frequently asked questions and will cover important details about heavy-duty windows and doors for motorhomes, expedition vehicles, RVs, caravans, yachts and boats which can withstand aggressive environment and extreme temperatures.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, check. Okay guys, we have over here in front of us one of the window which is made for one of the caravan which has 7 cm thickness of the wall. It is made of aluminum, so the glass itself over here tempered 6 mm, second layer 6 mm, and in between we have a camera of 10 mm which is also filled with argon. That is used for higher altitude, lower altitude, different temperatures, because the trucks are experiencing different altitudes. That's why argon or krypton, those two gases are usable over there in this industry. Okay, so it has been filled with it. Then it sits in the C-channel aluminum profile with the C-channel rubber. Something similar to this concept. So we have a C aluminum and then C gasket as well. That window sits in it, inside the Sika, within the Sika Flex bath. Okay. Then on that profile we have welded same thickness, 6 mm thickness of the aluminum, and has made a handle. Yeah, let me show you what this handle contains. So this is a mushroom through the window. Outside it is nicely done, SS. Then we have a plastic ring, I could say, with the housing for silicone O-ring, greasing over here, and this inside this mushroom. Then we put O-ring over here, and it slides all the way in. As you can see, it is almost in, maybe 0.2 microns sticking outside. It slides through the window over here. From the outside it goes all the way in, and then this part sits here. It has a hole over here, specially made for this handle. It has a small nozzle, then it goes all the way in. It sits here, so it is moving together when it is need to be open. But how to fix this handle? Through this pin. It goes all the way here. Yeah? Once they rotate together. Yes, it is a cold bridge. During the winter, cold will penetrate from here to here, and this will be condensated. But this is made for local climate, for UAE, Africa, where we don't have any low temperatures, only high temperatures. So it isn't really a problem over here in this region. For northern countries, we have another solution, which I'm going to show you later on the videos. But for now, nothing is to be worried about. Okay. What kind of gaskets do we use? This one, very strong. We have a welding machine which welds this 45-degree corners, same as this one. It stays for very, very long in very, very aggressive environment, like a boat in the 50 degrees temperature, in salty weather, in moisture, and it holds. Then we use gas springs, as minimum as 150 Newton meters, as maximum as 600 Newton meters. Okay, so this is the window. Let me show you how does it work. This is how it works together. You can see that it works all the way together, and this one is this ring with the hole is here, and another ring like this is here. So when they sit against each other. They sit like this with the O-ring, silicone O-ring over here, so they go against each other. You can see this one is fixed, that one is movable. And when it is closed, I'm going to show it to you how it is closed. You want to close it, it goes against here. Up, like this. And here it is like this. Now it's closed fully, so nothing is going to go through. This is the gasket, this one, and here we have a duster. This is how it looks from outside. Okay. Okay, now we have over here one sample of a door. This is the sandwich. You can see 5 mm plus the filler 5 mm. And then we have strong foam, as thick as 7 cm. Over here we have 5 mm of the core, another 5 mm of another core, and then this one is 2 layers of PVC structural foam with 80 to 115 kg per cubic meters. Okay. Now what we have here is the Z profile. It is made of 2 L profiles. It's welded this way, and it became external Z profile where door will sit. Heavy duty hinges, here they are. It is made of SS 316L, very heavy duty. The company called Euro Art, but it is tested and been tried on all our doors for boats, for caravans, for windows and for hatches. They're super heavy duty. They have almost 360 degrees of opening. Okay, so what do we have over here? Made of SS housing for the handle. Handle itself, we have 2 types of handles. One of them is like this. It sits right here, almost inside, almost invisible. If you can see, it does not go outside, it does not project it. And even if it is, there is no issues with it, because when the branches are, it does not going to break it. And this one, it's 2 types of handles. If you see, they are different. One of them smaller, one of them higher. So we use the small one. But this one is just an example. Okay. Locker itself is just a regular locker. Company called Trio Wing. This is off-shell product. What is not off-shell product, 2 teeth mechanism. This is the one. This one is mechanism of closing and opening at the top and at the bottom. This is made over here, heavy duty, made of SS, made of brass, made of different strong materials as well. Here we use this type of gasket. It's a D gasket made in Canada, very strong. At least it's about 10-15 years easily, no need to change. Also, welding has been done over here on 90-degree corner. Okay, this is a good one over here, all around. So it goes all the way down. So easy. This is SS tooth, this is SS housing. So this tooth, only here and only there. This locker, it doesn't have any nozzle over here. So when it locks this one. Once it's locked, this cannot be moved. Okay, so if we want to close it, that's it. And the gasket, this is the type of gasket, sits over there. I'll try to show you now. So this is the door from inside. So this gasket is this one. It sits over here. Yeah, and this is also made of SS under 45 degree. Once you're closing it, goes all the way like this, and then all the way like that. That's it.
Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.